Finals, your average went up to 23 minutes a game. Quite a big change in your role with this team, but with Roger out, Kelly Williams out, Coach Shot has relied on you a lot for many things that you do on the floor. Can you tell us what some of those things, some of those things that you're doing now that will help your team win that Grand Slam?
Like you said, my versatility is something that I try and lean on a lot, especially on the defensive side of the ball. But I've been out for so long. I'm still kind of getting my footing back together, my timing back. So I know that this time of year, especially this part of the conference, it's very important. So I just go out there and try and play my hardest, try to play my best, and as long as I'm out there contributing, I know that I can do good things for the team.
Thank you. Roger, I'm sure everyone's asking, kumusta ka na, Roger? Hindi ka nga nakalaro ng 4 na laro sa semifinals, pero I think the team went out there to win not only for TNT but also for you. Kasi wala ka nga. Pero big question is, makakalaro ka ba sa Game 1 on Sunday? Roger, kumusta ang recovery mo sa inyong hamstring injury?
Maganda yung recovery. Tapos bukas pa malaman kung makakalaro ba talaga ako sa Sunday. Yun lang.
Thank you, Roger. Ang susunod natin. Ito magsasalita. Ang bilis. Okay. Calvin Octana. Calvin.
Ang haba ng talong eh.
Calvin, ikaw na lang magpupuno. Calvin, meron ako itatanong sa'yo. Sa Philippine Cup Eliminations, tinalo ng TNT and San Miguel, 89-84. Naka 2020 ka. Very, very rare na isang player makakuha ng 2020 sa PBA. Maski na sa NBA. Pero in that game, 23 points, 21 rebounds ang ginawa mo. Calvin, anong maitutulong mo sa TNT para makuha ng TNT ang Grand Slam?
Yun nga sabi ko sa media kanina, yung tinanong na yung elimination is a different game. Pagdating sa semis, quarters, or finals, lalo sa finals, mag-iiba yung laro. And well scouted na both teams, lalo na doon na nakafocus yung mga coaches. So siguro para makuha yung si Coach Leo siguro yung babantayan ko. Siguro it's up to the players. Siyempre yung mga coach naman paghahandaan talaga, ilalatag talaga lahat yung mga game plans, lalo na this finals. And siyempre it's up to the players yung willingness na magtrabaho para sa team nila. And siguro pataasan na ng willpower na siguro. Lalo na sa team namin, daming iniinda, pero yun nga, lumalaban pa rin kami sa lahat ng mga nangyari sa team namin. So we're gonna take one game at a time. Siyempre, yun naman yung pinaka-importante this Sunday.
Salamat, Calvin. Jordan Heading, you played 2 games in the eliminations. You certainly shone brightly in the semifinals. We know that you're playing hurt. There's still that back problem. It's affected somehow your shooting. But in that final game of TNT against Rain and Shine, I mean, you gave it your all. And I heard that coach was asking you if you wanted to have some rest. And you said, no, I'm going out there. And you scored 29 points. Jordan Heading, how special is this for you to be in the PBA finals, trying to get a Grand Slam for TNT?
Yeah, I mean, just like a lot of these guys have said, super grateful to be here in this position with TNT and to be in the finals here. This is the type of situation that as players we all live and die for. Is to play in these meaningful games that people will remember. And I think this series coming up is going to be one of those series.
Thank you, Jordan. And lastly, Poy Eram. Poy, tinignan ko yung mga stats ng TNT. Parang nakikita ko rito is that pag maganda nilalaro ng TNT at nananalo kayo, in your 12 wins, you held your opponents to an average of only 88.4 points. Pero kung yung mga talo ninyo, 7 losses, your opponents have scored 98.4. Malaking bagay yung depensa ninyo. Conversely, sa San Miguel, pag nananalo sila, 109.5 points a game. Pag talo nila, 87.3 lang. Para nakikita natin kung high scoring, kung opensa, ang orientation, nananalo ang San Miguel. Ang TNT, kung depensa, kayo nananalo. Anong role mo, Poy, dito sa defensive schemes ni Coach Chot?
Medyo parang it's very general yung ano. Mahirap naman sabihin be specific kasi malalaman nila yung kung ano yung gagawin namin, diba? So, for us, yun nga, we won the game by basta hindi sila makascore ng 100 points sa past few games namin. Mainly because we play defense, we play aggressive, we play smart, we don't play stupid. So we make sure na we play aggressive but we play smart defense. Yung mga mental mistakes namin, we make sure na we correct it, we make sure na we move on to sa mistake namin. Yun yung sinasabi ni Coach sa amin na if we make one less mistake, every one of us sa team, diba? Laking bagay nun for us, diba? So we make sure lang namin na all of us are more aware, more attentive dun sa kung anong gustong pagpagawa ni Coach, and make sure na we execute it perfectly, if not perfect. Make sure na malapit din, diba? So for us to have a chance to win the game. Kasi yun lang naman yung gusto namin na give us a chance, make it sure na close game, and then at the end, give us a chance to win the game. So yun lang.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. Congratulations to both teams for reaching the finals. My question is for Jordan Hedin. Jordan, you're slowly easing into your role as the floor general of TNT, and in the past 2 TNT championships, the finals MVP were point guards. Of course, that's Jason and Ray. Is there any pressure for you heading into this best-of-7 series to deliver as best you can to give TNT this Grand Slam championship?
I wouldn't really describe it as pressure, but rather as, you know, responsibility as the next man up in terms of obviously huge holes with Kuya, Jason and Ray being out. There's a little bit of room for the need for another creator, and I'm just trying to be that for this team if that's what Coach Chot needs me to be. But anything that my role is, I'm ready to do.
Hello po. For Brandon and Boy, just talk about the daunting task of guarding Junmar Fajardo this season.
It's always a challenge. You know, they have a lot of great players over there, but with June, you know, you just have to, you know, make them work. You know, you have to, you know, try and just, you know, get them off the spots. But, you know, it's not, you know, just one player, not just me and Poi. It's going to take the whole team. You know, we talk about team defense a lot, and that's, you know, that's something that we rely on. So it's going to take a total effort, and, you know, we'll just try our best. Thank you. Same yung sinabi ni Brandon. Siyempre, hindi lang naman talaga si Junmar yung kailangan mong bantayan, diba? So, their team talaga sobrang very talented team. Alam niyo naman with Junmar, he attracts a lot, diba? So, it takes a lot sa amin. We have to play team defense. We don't need to play individual defense. Kasi individual, mahirapan kami. If we play team defense, then we have a chance. So, that's it.
Ang naging routine mo ay every after game, paano mo siya treat?
Siyempre, sa akin, ankle sprain, both leg, so kailangan ko i-ice eh. And during game kasi, nag-take ako ng mga painkillers, so siyempre kailangan kong i-pan yung sarili ko na kahit after game hanggang doon na yung painkiller ko eh. So kailangan kong hindi uminom kahit masakit, pero kailangan indahin lang yung mga bagay nila. Pero yun nga, cold compress.
At itong kalaban nyo mas malalaki kumpara sa inyo. Mas malalaki, mas sakit ang katawan.
Yeah,
Ano expect mo sa laban na to? How physical sa tingin?
Siyempre, sa larong basketball talagang physical yan eh. Siguro, you're just gonna be ready physically and mentally. Mahirap pero kailangan ikayod eh para sa mga gusto namin.
Calvin, yung San Miguel galing silang game 7 kasi medyo nakapahinga kayo ng konti. Gaano ka-importante yun for you guys, lalo na madaming may injuries na katulad mo?
Napaka-importante yun. Isang araw, 2 araw na pahinga, 3 araw, pinaka-the best na hindi ka maglalaro muna basketball, gusto mo na ipahinga yung injury mo, lalo sa akin yung sprain ankle ko. So, malaking bagay yun eh, malaking bagay. Pero if ever naman kung nangyari na nag-game 7 din kami, talagang ipupurso ko ilaro talaga yung mga bagay na ganun. And yung mga ganung pain, iindahin mo lang after ng conference na to eh. Ganun naman talaga yun.
Calvin, kasama ko rin si Kuya School.
Yes.
Hindi ka ba nakapag-training ko?
Hindi pa. Yung gusto ko yung focus ko muna yun dito muna sa PBA. Pero yun nga, kahit di ko isipin yun, nandyan na yan eh. Siyempre magsisimula rin kami mag-training. So sana matapos agad to. Kahit anong mangyari, nandun pa rin naman kami. Kailangan namin representa yung bansa.
Describe the ride, getting into the trade, now enjoying the finals with a chance for grandson.
Yeah, I mean, been a bit of a roller coaster in terms of just being injured, being off the floor, just being only concerned about my body and not basketball in general, to then boom getting traded and having to get ready really quick for the playoffs and for a big push for a Grand Slam. So been pretty crazy, but I can't complain at all. You know, really excited to be here, really excited to be in the finals, and just excited to get this thing going.